How to hide followers on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide followers on Spotify. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu simply select Settings and Privacy. And now once you are in your settings section, simply tap on Privacy and Social. And now inside this section you can see the option labeled as followers and following under the profile visibility. So simply toggle off that option. And once you do that, people cannot see who is following you and who you are following. And that's it. That's how you can hide followers on Spotify. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.